If this found you when you were about to give up, don't give up. One person just felt those words hit like a hand pulling them back from the edge. That's you. This is not random. This is not coincidence. The universe guided you here in the exact moment you were thinking, maybe I should stop. You felt it. Maybe your eyes were heavy with doubt. Maybe you were scrolling with a heavy heart. Maybe you were one click away from closing everything. Stay. Don't give up. This is your reading. Breathe slow. Let the weight on your chest ease. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel the noise in your mind quiet down. Feel your heartbeat slow just enough to really hear every word. The cards were pulled for you at this exact moment of doubt. Someone watching is already thinking, how did this find me right when I was about to quit? The cards know. The universe knows. God knows. You were ready to hear this. You were close to the edge, but you are not done yet. Your win is closer than it feels. Money is moving toward you. Flow is starting. This video is the sign telling you, don't give up. We are asking one powerful question together. Why did the cards find you when you were about to give up? What is the message? What proof is in the spread that your breakthrough is already on its way? Deck is in my hands, shuffling slowly with pure intention. Every card is speaking directly to you. The one person who needed this message the most. 5 cards drawn just for you. First card, past. Energy that was holding you back. 5 of Pentacles. Reverse said cold, empty. Money felt like it was always just out of reach. You saw it flow for others, but never for you. You worked, you hoped, you tried everything, still felt left outside in the cold. But reversed, this card says the wall is cracking. The scarcity story is ending. The energy has already started reversing. You survived that cold season. You learned the lessons. Now the energy turns. Second card. What is happening inside you right now? Achi of Pentacles. A golden coin is being placed directly into your open palm from above. This is not hope. This is substance. A real seed. An opportunity. A notification. An idea that pays. A payment that lands. Something tangible is being given to you in this exact moment. You felt it already. Maybe your phone buzzed. Maybe a random thought hit hard. Maybe your gut said, look now. That was the ace. The cards are handing you the seed of your breakthrough. Your only job is to plant it. Third card. What will trigger your next big movement? Wheel of Fortune. Wheel is turning. Cycles are changing. Fate is stepping in. What was stuck becomes unstuck. What was slow becomes fast. Luck, destiny, karma, it is turning in your favor. The trigger is coming. It could be one decision, one message, one unexpected event. But when it hits, everything accelerates. The wheel does not ask permission. You are on the upward swing. The cards found you when you were about to give up to tell you, don't give up. It's moving. Fourth card. How your breakthrough rise. Knight of Pentacles. Steady writer. No drama. No shortcuts. Just consistent forward motion. Your breakthrough comes through the work and seeds you have already planted. Content payout. Affiliate earnings. Subscription growth. Small trade win. Forgotten link that suddenly pays. Knight is slow but unstoppable. Once he starts moving, he does not stop. You already know which app, wallet, or platform this breakthrough is heading toward. The cards are confirming. It's real. It's yours. It's close. Fifth card, where this ultimately leads you. 10 of Pentacles. Empire. Legacy. Real security you can touch and feel. Money that works for you instead of you working for money. Freedom to live on your own terms. Not just one lucky win. A strong, growing foundation you can build upon and even share. The 10 of Pentacles shows long-term abundance, stability, and enjoyment. The cards have a message for you when you were about to give up, because the story ends with you winning and thriving. Proof in the full spread. 5 Rev scarcity reversed gives ace seed given gives wheel fate turns. Gives knight steady arrival gives 10 empire secured. This spread was pulled for one person who was about to give up. And it's you. Full tie-in. Past lack and cold energy has cracked open gives. A golden seed is placed in your hand right now gives. The wheel of fate begins to turn in your favor gives steady money rides and gives. A powerful empire foundation is being built. The cards didn't find you when you were about to give up by accident. They found you because you were ready. The path is clearing, and your breakthrough has arrived. What this found you when you were about to give up energy feels like right now. Random notifications suddenly feel meaningful in the quiet. Old ideas you forgot about suddenly feel electric and urgent. Your gut whispers check that app again even at this hour. Balanced thoughts appear without fear, only calm knowing. Dreams show money symbols, numbers, or winning moments that feel real when you wake. Extended shocking signs your win is coming. Pay close attention. Your phone vibrates or lights up. When you think about money, you think about money and an app refreshes or opens by itself. Dreams show cash falling, notifications, or big wins. Repeating numbers appear strongly. 888, 1111, 555. Small unexpected refunds, tips, or bonuses show up. Your gut clearly says today or tomorrow. An old idea, trade, or link suddenly starts paying. Deep feeling of it's already done even before proof. Synchronicities double or triple number plus money symbol in same hour. Calm, unshakable peace that this is finally happening. Vivid dreams about wealth that leave you energized when you wake. App or notification glitches feel like direct messages from above. No more anxiety or desperation, only quiet knowing. The universe sends little confirmations every few hours. Song, number, memory. The actual win arrives the moment you fully detach and trust. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice to lock this in. Take one high leverage action every single day. Post content. Set up a trade. Send one outreach message. Stop emotional chasing. Stay cold and detached. The universe delivers faster when you release desperation. Affirm 3 times a day. The cards found me when I was about to give up. My win is coming perfectly. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Log every sign in your notes app, screenshot numbers. Write down gut feelings. Proof builds belief fast. Keep the cold mindset. Hungry for more. Grateful for what you have. Proud but never arrogant. No fear. No doubt. Innovate daily. Test one new thingy I tool. Angle. Post style. Detach from the outcome. Celebrate every tiny win silently. Then immediately push for the next level. Reminders. Parkinson's law compress time. No water after 8 p.m. Cut sugar and junk. Brush teeth twice. No touching pimples. Affirmations. Say it out loud 3 times. The cards found me when I was about to give up. My win is coming. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Everything flows perfectly. So it is. If this hit deep in your soul, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment the cards found me when I was about to give up to claim it. Drop your sign or what you're manifesting below. Thanks for staying until the end. The cards were pulled for you for a reason. Use every single second wisely. Push harder.